In this video, we're taking a close look at Site123, one of the more popular website builders available today. Site123 promises a fast and easy way to build a website, whether you're starting from scratch or need to make a quick online presence. First, we'll dive into the sign-up process, which is straightforward and only requires a few steps to get started. Once you're signed up, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can begin creating your site. The user interface is clean, with clear options laid out for creating your pages, adding features, and customizing your design. One of the highlights of Site123 is its easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can easily add text, images, and other content with just a few clicks. The platform offers various pre-built templates, which you can customize to fit your needs. Whether you're building a personal blog, business site, or an online store, Site123 has templates suited for different purposes. When it comes to customization, Site123 offers some flexibility, though it's not as deep as what you might find on more advanced website builders, like WordPress or Wix. However, the simplicity is an advantage for many users, especially if you want to avoid a steep learning curve. You can adjust color schemes, fonts, and layouts, and even add custom HTML and CSS if you need more control over your design. Site123 also offers a mobile-friendly design, which is essential in today's digital landscape. Every website created on the platform is responsive and adapts well to different screen sizes. This makes it easy for visitors to browse your site from any device, whether they're using a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Now let's talk about pricing. Site123 offers a free plan, which is great if you're just getting started or need a simple site. However, if you want to unlock additional features, like more storage, a custom domain, or e-commerce functionality, you'll need to upgrade to one of their premium plans. The pricing is fairly competitive with other website builders, but it's essential to weigh the features you'll need versus what's available on the free plan. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching the video. One thing worth noting is the customer support offered by Site123. They provide 24/7 support through live chat, email, and a helpful knowledge base. I found their support team to be responsive and knowledgeable, which is always a plus when working with any website builder. Overall, Site123 is a solid choice for anyone looking to build a simple, professional website without a lot of hassle. Its intuitive interface, useful features, and solid customer support make it a great option for beginners and small business owners alike. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.